Draw this triangle AB equal to 8, AC equal to 5. The angle between AB and AC is 30 degree. Join those three sides of the triangle to form a polyline. What is the length of the polyline? So first, turn the ortho on or press F8 from the keyboard. Click the line tool, click anywhere on the screen, move your cursor to the right, type 8, press enter, right click, cancel, click the line tool again, click the left end of this line AB, move your cursor to the left, type 5, press enter, right click, cancel, click on the rotate tool, click this new line, press enter, click the right end, type -150, press enter, click the line tool, connect these 2 points, right click, cancel, type join, press enter, make a selection box and select all 3 lines or all 3 sides of this triangle, press enter, hover your cursor on the drawing to make sure that it shows that this is a polyline, then left click on the triangle or on the polyline and then right click and then left click on the properties and make sure to see the length information here. You'll find the length here, 17.4405.